Assalamualaikum and good evening. Alright, in this upcoming video we're going to discuss on the tutorials question that you have shared that you need for me to answer it. We have several questions here. Okay, this is all the questions. If you have any other question, you can ask me after this. Okay, so let's straight away go to the first question. Okay, which is question number 2-3. Now they want us to plot an Argand diagram for this equation, which is J. Some of you might have a problem in determining the area or the value of A and B for this equation, but it is actually quite easy. So first, when you encounter with this kind of question, always go back to the basic of complex number, which is what is the formula of complex number. So the formula of complex number is A plus Bj, right? So it is Z equal to A plus Bj. So it means that in order for us to draw an Argand diagram to locate the Cartesian coordinate for this equation, we'll need to know the value of A and B. So by default, by looking directly at this equation, we know that the value of B is 1, right? Because it is J. So B is equal to 1. Then what about A? Okay, actually there is no A in this equation. In other words, A is equal to 0. Okay, so basically the Cartesian coordinate for this equation is 0, 1, right? 0 for A and 1 for B. Hence, this is the coordinate that it should be plotted in Argand diagram. So let's see where it should be. Now it is simply here, right? So it is Z 0, 1. Okay, you'll see that there's an arrow pointed to this area. So basically this is where it should be, right? This is where it should be. This is where the point 0, 1 should be. So that is actually the answer. This is where you should draw it, right? You should put a point there. Okay, so that is for the first question. Okay,